This 6x6 is built for terrain that break ordinary tracks, mountains, snow swamps, deserts, and high altitudes. For three-wheel drive ensures steady traction on rough terrain. Works well at 43 degrees Celsius and high altitudes. Rear box carries people and cargo with 2 tons off-road load AC. Youko. Building in China. Solid quality at a cost-effective price with no brand markup. It has passed field tests in Southeast Asia including Myanmar and Laos, coping with rough roads easily. It's not just about what carries, it's about where gets you. Learn more about our trucks. Follow 云南猛士 Automobile.